Hello everyone. This is a test because here you see is a hair dryer. It's a very nice one from Lidl. And here you see it has an option to do internet. But here is also to get your hair frozen or something, or maybe unfreeze your brain. Anyhow, if we put this on and then we try to do something with it. Now I will put it on the internet. I get the light and I sniff the air. I put more heat and more power. I think it is internet gives a first. A little bit, I think someone said it's oxonization or maybe ionization of the air. It has a tiny smell of oxygen, but not very much because it's mixed with the hot air. But I put it cold air. Yes, a little bit oxygen, and I can feel it in my head. That's it. See you next time. Bye bye bye.